Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today we visit the town of Geiranger, which is a Unesco World Heritage Site. Please join us on our walking tour and hike as we take in the stunning scenery. If you enjoy our video today, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as it helps our channel to grow.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something not historical. Rub it on your make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and knowing I gotta make it. I'm singing every day to taste anticipation of my mind. If you know me taking, I'm chasing a dream that I never seven pages of making. Modern kingdom for the taking.
I like you. Oh,
The ship moves straight to your doorstep, doesn't it? Yeah, it's good.
thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome. Take care. Enjoy your holiday. Thank you. You wish you could stay. Hello everyone. So we're in Geiranger. Pete's made me come up this huge mountain. Everyone else, well, there's a few people walking, but most are getting coaches, tour buses, little electric cars, all sorts. But no, we're walking and I'm shattered. Pete's charging ahead as per usual. But I just want to show you the view. It's definitely worth it for the view. Look at the little houses, I don't know if you can see that, with all grass and all sorts. I've seen a few with like trees growing on top. It's wonderful, it's all sort of wild and rugged with waterfalls. Oh, there's one of their little electric cars. And all the snow-topped mountains. Can't even get my words out, I'm so exhausted. You can just in the distance there, right down there, you can see our ship, the anthem of the seas. So onwards and upwards, we're going back up again. Okay, catch you later.
Yeah, keep an eye where you go, please. So it turns out we could have come up this way. Just behind the red holiday huts. Oh dear.
We really hope you found this walking tour enjoyable. Please join us on our next adventure.